Welcome to My Code Tutorials YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how we can write a C program to swap two numbers using a temporary variable. So here, first, I will create two variables and store some values in them. I will take integer data type and I will call the first variable as num1 and I will store a value of 100 in this, and then I will have another variable. I will call it as num2 and then I will store 200 in this variable. Now the next variable that we need is a temporary variable which will contain the value of one of these variable for a temporary period of time, and it will be of type integer. I will call this variable as temp. Now the next thing that we do is we will print out the values of num1 and num2 before swapping the values. So here I will use the printf statement and I will say before swapping, and then I will have a new line inserted in here, and then I will use the printf function, and here I will display num1 colon %d and then num2 colon %d. Then I will insert a new line. Here we will display the values of num1 and num2. Okay. Now the next thing that we have to do is we have to swap the values of this num1 and num2. So how we can do this? Here, since we have this temp variable, we can make use of that. So what we do is in this temp variable, we will preserve the value of num1 variable. So what I do is I will write temp equal to num1. Now the value that is present in this num1 variable is also saved in this temp variable. Now what we can do is in this num1 variable, we can store a different value. Its previous value is preserved in this temp variable. So here I will write num1 equal to num2. Now what happens is the value of num2 is saved in two variables. One is in the num1 variable, secondly in this num2 variable. Now we have the value of num2 in num1 variable. The last thing that we have to do is we have to store the initial value which was present in this num1 variable, which is currently present in this temp variable in the num2 variable. So here we will write num2 equal to temp. Okay, that's it. Now the last thing that we do is we will display the values after swapping. I will copy these two printf statements and I will paste them in here, and here I will say after swapping, and then we will display the value of num1 and num2. Now I will save this program and I will run this. Now here before swapping, num1 variable was containing 100, num2 was containing 200, and after swapping num1 is containing 200 and num2 is containing 100. So we have swapped the values of num1 and num2 variables. So this is it for this particular video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later in the next one.